How to fix Battlefield 6 lag problem. Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix lag issues in Battlefield 6. So if your game keeps stuttering, freezing, or feels delayed while playing online, follow along step by step to get it running smoothly again. Alright, let's dive in. First, go to the search bar on your Windows PC and type CMD. When it appears, right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. This gives it the permissions it needs to make the fix work properly. Now that Command Prompt is open, we're going to reset your network connection using a few simple commands. Don't worry, these are completely safe and only refresh your internet settings. You can find all the commands listed in the video description below, so feel free to copy and paste them one by one. After typing each command, press Enter to run it. Once you've entered all of them, it's time to restart your computer. This step is important to apply the changes. When your PC turns back on, open Battlefield 6 and check your gameplay. You should notice a big improvement. Less lag, smoother motion, and a more stable connection. And that's it! This quick network reset usually fixes most lag or delay problems in Battlefield 6. If it helped, drop a like and let me know in the comments if your game's running better now.